Hey guys, welcome back. Look what's boiling. I'm making me a seafood boil, you guys. My eggs in this pot, and the second pot back there, it is potatoes. Wait, so my eggs are done. So what I'm about to do now is take my eggs over and rinse them off. Then I'm gonna start on my sausages. Okay, here's my smoked sausages here. So I'm gonna cut these up real nice, and I will be back. Sausages, you guys. Here they go. All sliced. Now I'm about to get them in a pot over here. Okay, here's some broccoli. Okay, you guys. Now I'm about to make my butter sauce. I have some onions I cut up. I'm going to saute my onions first with a little butter. So I'm going to saute my onions. You see that? And I will be back with the next step. Okay, you guys, my onions done got translucent, so now I'm about to add my butter. So I'm gonna cut my eye down, you guys, down to low. Okay, how you doing? Okay, I'm gonna add this seasoning, you guys. It's Dan's old seasoning pack, and they say it looks spicy. It's as seen on TikTok. Now I got this at Dollar Tree. Yes, I did. I opened the pack up. Let stuff come out. Season. And you just add a little water. It smells so good in here, you guys. Now I'm going to add just a little brown sugar. Brown sugar. Light brown. You can add dark brown, whatever your preference. But I prefer light brown. Okay. Give it a stir. It smells so good in here. I'm going to add, for the color, a little smoked paprika. That smoke tastes just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, you guys, my butter sauce is all done. Here we go. Here we go. My butter sauce and my onions dripping off of there. Look at them onions. Okay, guys, so Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. Eggs, potatoes, shrimp, sausage, and just a few little broccoli. It smells so good in here. Yes, indeed. So I guess this is my seafood boil for this Saturday afternoon. And I thank you guys for watching. And bye-bye for now. Ooh, I'm ready to eat. Bye.